Now I'm going to show you the same thing on the right side. Show you guys how to take the taillight out on the right side of the Tribeca. Same ordeal. The one cover is missing. It's supposed to have both. One's missing, so you know, pull this cap out. Just number 10. Get that out. Another 10. That comes out. And then pretty loose. You can get your hands around. And I just like tap it a few times to get all the dirt loose. And it will come out eventually. Don't break it. If you pull on this too hard, maybe grab your pick and, you know, give it a little bit of a snudge here. And I'll see that. Give it a tap. Because this right here gets all the dust and rain falling and it creates a better hold. And then just turn to the left, turn to the left, and there's your tail light. Very simple. It's the exact same way going back in. After you plug these guys in, this is what you gotta worry about. This has to make sure it slides into the clip on the quarter panel. If you break that clip, it's gonna be hard to find. Might have to order one if they still make that clip. That's how you take the right tail light out on the Tribeca.